I'm Mike Warzakowski with the engineering department here at DITEQ, and today we're going to talk about vacuum brazed cup wheels, the advantages of vacuum brazed cup wheels, mainly in coating removal. Typically, to remove coatings from a surface, the cup wheels, we use a special cup wheel that's shaped to help remove the coating. And these are regular cup wheels that have the diamonds encased in metal powder. And so you have to have something abrasive to open up new diamonds and to expose new diamonds. And that's what a traditional cup wheel does. Some cup wheels have larger diamond crystals in it, and some have standard size diamond crystals. The larger diamond crystals help create a higher speed of coating removal, or to be able to poke through a non-abrasive coating to be able to scratch it and to be able to remove it. But you have to use it on a surface that is abrasive in order to expose new diamonds for it to actually grind. So that's the standard cup wheels as you see. Now, the vacuum brazed cup wheels come in a variety of different types. This is a standard vacuum brazed cup wheel. It has a very fine diamond, and this series from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a very big diamond crystal, but it's a single layer diamond. The difference between a vacuum brazed and electroplated is the strength of the metal that holds the diamond. The vacuum brazed is a very, very hard metal that holds the diamond crystals. The advantages of a vacuum brazed cup wheel is that the coating does not have to be abrasive to expose new diamonds. The diamonds are always exposed. As you can see, the diamond is protruding no matter what. So you can go through a non-abrasive coating and remove it. The problem with a single layer vacuum brazed cup wheel is if you're removing a lot of material, the material can get between the diamond crystals and it'll be smooth, so it won't work. It'll be plugged up. You'll plug up the diamonds in essence. So that's why we came out with a spike cup wheel. These are vacuum brazed little piles of smaller diamonds. A big diamond has an advantage to cut through the coating and to remove more material, but it's also very fragile. How diamonds are cut is they break along natural points, weak points on the diamond crystal itself. So these diamonds are small diamonds that are very, very tough, held together with a vacuum braze, and they're put into a spike pattern, so they become big, large protrusions. So these cup wheels don't plug up with debris, glues and coatings, mastic coatings, and they as fast as a single layer diamond would. But these are very, very coarse. You can get very fine vacuum brazed diamonds, and then coarser as you go to very coarse vacuum brazed diamonds. You have choices. So if you're using marble lippage pad, you might use a very fine diamond to remove a lot of the marble stone very, very quickly without doing too much damage to scratches to the marble surface, whereby this is just purely for removing coatings. They're vacuum brazed spikes. These also have an advantage, is they're dead sounding. They don't ring. They're metal, but there's a sandwich between the metal of a softer metallic product to be able to deaden the sound so they don't ring in your ears when you're working across the floor. These also, all these, by the way, you have threaded and non-threaded cup wheels. You can use an adapter to make a threaded cup wheel out of one of these. And so you can thread it on. Just remember to add the adapter to the order. But anyway, we have a vacuum brazed bead, which is a brand new, this year, state of the art. These are actually beads. They look like they're cindered metal product, but they're not. They're actually vacuum brazed, so the diamonds are always exposed. They're great for non-abrasive coatings, but they're also good for concrete, any abrasive coating as well. They're a bead, so they're a lot bigger surface area. They're not sharp pointed as the spikes, so they can potentially leave a smoother surface finish, and they are largely protruded so they won't plug up with materials. So they're very quick at any kind of coating. When you have trouble with a non-abrasive coating, you have to go to an abrasive part of the floor and work onto the non-abrasive part, and then go back to that abrasive part to get your diamond open again, and then go back onto the coating, go back to the concrete and onto the coating. This you can start right on the coating and continue on the coating because the diamonds are always open. So it's a very, very fast removal tool. So again, these are typical tools used for coating removal, and they each have a little place and a little niche. As long as you understand that place and niche, you can effectively have the right tools in your toolbox for the jobs you're going to do.